Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm back here with a quick tip, a good one but an old one. Polishing your hinge pins. Pretty much I try to do this every time after qualifying is done, right before the mains, and of course after rebuild or tear down. So the reason why we polish the hinge pins is to make sure that the arms will move freely in their motion, up and down motion, so there's no binding and it just kind of a lot more smoother. So what you need is your hinge pins. Obviously there's more for your car, just have one for test purposes, a microfiber cloth, and the wax of your choice. I have this Meguiar's gold class carnauba that I have left over. As you can see, not much, I just kind of use what's there. So if you have it laying around the house, it kind of just comes in handy. I just use the rag method. Some people will put this into a drill chuck and spin it that way. You can do it that way as well, but I can tell you the way I do it works just fine as well. So just make sure you have enough wax on there, and then pretty much just kind of sandwich it in between and just up and down and spin it around a few times. And you can see it's kind of a little bit dull now. And then take a clean side of your microfiber and then do the same. That's it. Super smooth, super silky. Really quick tip, do this to all your hinge pins, both inner and outer, to ensure maximum free travel. And this is pretty much a free, cheap, quick and easy pro tip. Have a good one, y'all.